excited to finally be filming this video. This has been a video that I have only dreamed about filming for so long. If you follow me on Instagram and TikTok, this isn't a surprise for you. I have been raving about this product forever. I have been wanting this product forever, and finally I can share that with you guys. So today we're going to be unboxing a brand new handbag. It is my dream handbag and I cannot wait to share it with you guys. Before we get started, if you guys are new around here, welcome. My name is Andrea. I typically do videos all about beauty, sometimes in fashion, sometimes a little bit of luxury and mom content. If that is something you guys enjoy, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the post notification bell button so you are aware every single time I post a new video. So we're gonna unbox the item first, and then I'm gonna share with you guys how I went about getting it and all the details, and I'm just so happy to share this with you guys finally. So here is the item. I will say for you guys, if this is the first unboxing you're watching, this isn't a true unboxing. I have opened it already, only once, because I always want to open things up and make sure that it's exactly how I ordered, that it's like a legit item and everything, in case there's like a 14 or 30-day return process or whatever. Here we have the care booklets. The original care booklet has all the information of the bag. There is just the pouch with information. So here we have, this is so hard to do. Here we have the cleaning cloth that it comes with. And then here we have more information about the bag. And this is the proof of purchase stuff. This bag was purchased in January of 2012. And then we have the authenticity card here. So this is a 15 series Chanel handbag. And if you're familiar with Chanel handbags, that means that it was in production either between 2011 and 2012. So all of that stuff came with it. And here is the actual item. When I received it, it was actually bubble wrapped. So it was really well wrapped and really well secure in there. But like I said, I did unbox it because I wanted to make sure this was like a legit item, and like if there was a return policy or like a window or something. So it came with the original box, the magnetic box here. It's actually quite heavy. It also came with the tissue paper, the original tissue paper. And it did come with a camellia as well. So it came with the full set, and as you saw, the authenticity card and everything. So here is the dust bag. If you're familiar with Chanel, you know what bag this is, because this particular dust bag only comes with certain handbags. So let me set this down. Here is the dust bag. Oh my god, I was so excited. This dust bag just feels incredible. The quality is seriously insane. So I will open it up. Are you guys ready? I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. So please say hello to my brand new handbag, my dream handbag. The Chanel double flap in jumbo in black caviar with gold hardware. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with this. I kid you not, when I opened it up and I first received it, I cried because I'm just so over the moon about this bag. Okay, let me show you the bag first and then we'll talk about it. So like I said, this is the double flap in the size jumbo in the caviar. So it is going to be that like grained leather here. You can see that it does have the CC trim lock here. There is no denting on here, nothing on the side, no denting on the back or on the bottom. It is like in pretty much almost perfect condition. It's even better than when the seller posted it on Instagram, if I'm being honest with you. So then we turn it, and we have the flap right here. Not a lot of scratching, anything on here or on here, so that's super good. The only little nick that this bag has that I could find is right here. You can see it's a little bit dented just from putting this on here, but that's really something that you can't avoid in these handbags because of the double flap. We have the CC logo right there. My bag was made in Italy. And then if we take this off, the seller did a good job too about stuffing it to keep its shape on here. And then when we open it up, we just have the leather interior there with the two pockets. I did actually end up ordering a custom insert for here because this is a very expensive handbag. This is the most expensive handbag I've purchased. So just as an extra layer of protection, I decided to grab that there. But like I said, but seriously, like the entire bag is pretty much perfect. There's a little bit of creasing here, slight creasing there, but none of the hardware has faded. None of the chain is like coming loose. There is no actual dents or big scratches anywhere. This bag is perfect. It is in perfect condition. This has been a dream handbag of mine for years. At the top of my list, the number one bag that I had always dreamed about was this Chanel handbag. I have wanted this bag since I was 18 years old. Since this came out back in 2010 or 2011, I can't even remember. I have loved this handbag, but there was no way that I could afford it way back then. It was just out of my price range. And then through the years, it has always stayed on my dream wish list bags, not just for Chanel, but like when I think about like my dream handbag, this has always been number one. But as the years progressed and there was more price increases and more price increases, it's getting difficult to get this bag. I had originally wanted to have this as like my dream handbag and purchase it at the boutique. But like I said, the price increases just got so out of hand that I was like, I don't know if I could justify paying for this bag in the boutique. I think currently these handbags retail for $8,100 or $8,500 if I'm not mistaken. Almost $9,000 for a handbag. Like that's territory of like Hermes Birkin and Hermes Kelly. And that's just not a price that I'm comfortable spending, even though this was my dream handbag and the handbag that I have always wanted. I decided that I was no longer going to purchase it in store in the boutique. I started looking at pre-loved items and I kind of started getting a feel realistic price range for a pre-loved jumbo would be. And I was seeing prices anywhere from $5,000 to $7,000, which is a huge range and a huge price range. So I started saving for this bag several years ago, kind of keeping a little bit of a Chanel fund. In December, I actually gave birth to my first baby. And so obviously my husband and I talked about a push present and what a push present could be. There was no way that I was going to have him spend, you know, $5,000, $6,000 or $7,000 on a push present. That's kind of ridiculous. But I thought maybe if I can have him just put a little bit of money towards my Chanel fund, that would work out perfectly. So that was my initial goal. This Instagram seller that I follow had posted this bag. And when I saw the pictures, I was like, this bag is perfect. It's in perfect condition. It is the CCs that I like because I like more of these like skinny CCs instead of the flat ones. It is in gold hardware. The bag just looked perfect. It came with the full set. She could negotiate prices. So I negotiated with her to a slightly lower price and she accepted. And I was able to buy this bag. Had most of the funds for this bag and then the difference my husband was willing to pay for as my push present, and so I was able to get this bag. Like I said, this is the most expensive handbag I've ever purchased. This is probably going to be the most expensive handbag I purchased because I feel like I can't justify spending this much money on another bag or more. It's just way, way, way too much. And I feel icky even saying the price because it's just so much money. And I know, but this was such a good deal. When I tell you it was a really, really good deal, this was a crazy good deal. Like I said, a brand new Chanel Jumbo Caviar, the same specifications, full set out of the store is going to cost you, I think, $8,100, if not $8,500. That's what you're going to pay in store, not including taxes, to get the full set and everything. With the full set, no taxes included, just out the door, I ended up paying $5,500. I know it's an insane amount of money, but honestly, if you Google pre-loved Chanel's in this condition with the specifications, you're probably going to get somewhere between $6,000 to $7,000. That's exactly what I was seeing on Fashion File, on The Real, on several other sites. I was getting quotes of that much. So when I saw that the Instagram seller had it for under $6,000, and then when we negotiated the price, I was like, there's no way I'm going to get this good of a bag with the full set anywhere else. I need to pull the trigger on it. And I'm so freaking happy I did. There's literally not one single scratch or dent or thing on here that was not disclosed or that I feel like is lacking in the bag or that I feel like wasn't worth it. It's literally in perfect condition to me. I'm honestly so happy and so excited about this. There's always a risk when you buy from Instagram sellers, but she was very good about communicating with me, answering all my questions. She even told me that if the bag turned out to be fake for some reason or something like that, there is a full refund guaranteed. So that made me feel very, very comfortable. Once did she go AWOL and not talk to me or anything. She gave me tracking information and everything. So there was so much care and communication that went into this purchase. And even before I bought, I asked for pictures of the serial number, the insides, the outsides, to get my own verification that this was an authentic piece. I even went to my Facebook group of Chanel handbag lovers to see if they can authenticate this item, and everybody there had agreed that this was an authentic item. And the Instagram seller actually came highly recommended. 2 other Instagrammers that I follow that love handbags also follow her and have purchased from her, and they told me that it was a great experience and their bags are 100% authentic. So I'm not concerned with authenticity at all. And you guys, I'm so happy to have this. Like I said, I cried when I opened it up because this isn't just like a bag to me. Like, I mean, it's a material item, but this bag just symbolizes the culmination of all of my patience and all of my hard work, not just at work, you know, to become an attorney and being able to save up for it, but also my hard work, like, you know, when I had my labor and delivery, because it wasn't a smooth labor or delivery, it was slightly traumatic. It just symbolizes all of the effort that I've given over the years, and to be able to afford this, not have to put it on like a credit card, not have to go into debt for it, and finally being able to check off such a huge goal of mine, it's just like a dream come true. It's honestly just, I don't know, like I said, it makes me emotional because this just represents so much effort, so many years of lusting after it, so many years of, you know, believing in myself that one day I could achieve this, and we finally got it. So I am so happy with this. I cannot wait to start using her. She's magnificent. All right, you guys, so that was today's video. Leave it down in the comments. What are your thoughts on this handbag? If there is a dream handbag or dream item that you're lusting after, I am definitely curious to know. Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, all that stuff is going to be left down below for you guys, as well as coupon codes to help you save some money. I will also leave the Instagram seller that I got this from down below in case you guys are also in the market for a designer item, pre-loved goods. She has so many different items there, a lot of Chanel items as well. And like I said, she came highly recommended, and I had just a wonderful experience with her. So I will leave her information down below. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Stay safe, and I will see you all in my next one.